What's going on, and welcome back to Knife Life EDC. Got something in the mail from Miguron today, and pretty stoked for it, as in it's something I've been wanting for a few months now, just never checked out. But finally was able to get my hands on one just to kind of review and honestly see how it feels in the hand and see if it's worth the money, obviously. And if we can get open, there we go. Put that away and let's get into it. Alright, this is the Keryx 2. It doesn't really, kind of says it right there, obviously not all the way. But let's go ahead and open it up and get it checked out. Alright, what it comes with is professional, reasonable, and satisfactory. This card with all, just your little information on it. Never attempt to cut metal. Might dull the blade a little bit. Not the smartest thing. Keep the sharp knife out of the reach of children. Just little good tidbits of information, right? Kind of a nice little cleaning cloth. Looks nice at least. Kind of cool. But there is the bad boy itself. Oh, let's see if there's anything else. Anything else? Nope, that's it. Nope, that is it. Let's get into the knife itself, because I've been waiting for this thing because I was really wanting to check it out. This is probably the nicer... Oh, it's QC pass. That is great. I just want to check it out because I don't have a lot of Miguron, like, hands-on type experience. And it also is a front flipper, which, you know me. I love front flippers. They're my favorite. Well, the front flipper and the whole deployment, they're my favorite way to open knives, I guess. But, yeah. And that was the most pitiful way to open it at first, right off the bat. There we go. It is a sheep's foot, and it is M390. There you go. See right there. There you go, right there. What I was really kind of drawn to it is the titanium, obviously, of the overall knife. And just the way it looks, the aesthetics of it, and the sheep's foot blade. I'm a big sheep's foot, reverse tonto, those type of knife styles, blade styles. I'm really into those type of blade styles, I guess. But kind of just really drawn also to the texturing, the milling, and everything on this, because as you can see, it really is like really nice. Like, I was really surprised. Like, it does look as good as it does in pictures and stuff like that in videos. Because I've been looking up some videos on it, and I just haven't pulled the trigger on it, which I want to. This is another one that goes on the list. I have knives on the list that I want to buy still. I have a freaking list, probably a mile long. But you know what? I'll get to them one day. But this is definitely one that's going to go towards the top of the list because it does look very, very smooth. Obviously, I'll carry it around and kind of check it out, and yeah, hopefully it stands up to its name. Hopefully it's a good one. I like Miguron. They make pretty good knives from what I've handled, and also what I've reviewed and everything like that, and seen people review. They make good stuff, so I hopefully it stands up to its name. I do like the front flipper. I like the way it looks, how it's really kind of protruding out to really, so you can get some real estate on it when you open it. Obviously, the first flip open I did not work very well, but so far so good. It opens pretty solidly though. It sounds solid. What's going on? Okay, so that's it. You have your frame lock. It is kind of. Let me get a flashlight so y'all can see. There we go. It is kind of skeletonized and everything on the inside, kind of milled out. As you can see a little bit right there and right there. There, now you guys can really see it. So it's not real heavy. It really isn't. Like, I figured it'd be a little heavier, but it's really not. They did pack the oil in it though. Some KLP or something. Let's check out the jimping. I don't really feel the jimping though. Like, I kind of do, but I don't. Like, it's really not much there, as you can kind of see too. Like, it's seated down inside of the handle. So I don't know if that will really work out. Like, I feel like I can feel it, but not like I would like to. And it also, I feel like if you want to, you have that little troller right there where you can, get more real estate on the handle, but there's no jimping, so that's completely gone. But I think the jimping is mostly just for the front flipper tab. So that's one thing. I wish I'd put more a little bit, probably a little farther out on the jimping. It's not a make or break it thing. I just like more jimping. What else was I looking at? Thumb hole opener, great deployment, still works very well. I haven't had any problems on that just then. Let's try it with the thumb. Yep. So hey, there you go. What else? And it also has like the backspacer. It's got a little bit of like texturing right there. Kind of cool little backspacer. I like that. Looks pretty nice. Um, got like a little colored anodized blue type pivot collar right there. Nice little titanium pocket clip. Let's shut the blade so I don't check that out and then cut myself because that would look stupid, right? Looks like it works pretty well. Pretty tight. Not bad though. Looks pretty good though. As you can see right there. Obviously the milling is all the way across the knife handle, except for the pocket clip. Um, I do like the little insignia of the on the pivot collar, the pivot, excuse me, not the collar. Yeah, it opens really well. Feels really good in your hand. You have your choil right there. Wish it was a little bit more jimping out there. I love the blade shape. I don't know what else I can say about this right now. I'm going to carry it and check it out. This is one I've been really wanting to check out. So I'm going to let you guys know what it, I guess how it handles. It looks like it does have T8 screws. Let's check that out real quick. I'm kind of curious. I'm a big T8 fan. T6, I feel like they just get stripped out so easily. Yeah. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. They are all T8. It's a masterpiece. It's a masterpiece. All T8 screws. Like, what can you go wrong there? T8. Ain't no T6 on there. That's all I really have to say right now. I'm going to check it out, let you guys know. It really is a nice knife. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was just south of $200. So it is a little pricey. That's why I kind of didn't want to buy it yet. I probably will put this on the list of buying because I do really like this knife. And hopefully, well, I won't say that just yet because I am going to review it and check it out and see if it's worth it. It just came really greasy, or not greasy, lubed up. But hopefully it'll be on that list after I review it. But that's what I got so far. We'll be coming out with a review hopefully in the next couple weeks. But if you guys like the video, just give it a thumbs up. Or if you have a comment or anything like that, let me know down in the comment section. If you guys have had one of these and handled them and you absolutely love it, hate it, didn't like this, didn't like that, love this, let me know also. Love the heads up, you know what I mean? But that's all I got though. You guys have a great rest of your day.